Hey guys, it's Ewok Pilot here, and today I've got a special package from AV Figures, and today we're going to be unboxing it and see what we got. I don't even know what I got. So I ordered 5 of the random minifigure misprints because they were about $10 each. So yeah, this is going to be pretty exciting to see what we've got. So right off the bat, nice packaging. Really nice packaging. Alright. And there we go. This is what we have inside. These are really nice looking figures already. What is this? That's the invoice. Alright, y'all don't need to see that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into this. So right off the bat, we have what appears to be a shadow type trooper. It looks like an Imperial pilot or something. This appears to be oversprayed. That appears to be an issue with that one. This one seems to be miscolored by a little bit, but it's 5s. That's actually really cool. I ordered CAC parts for a 5s figure, so that could go really well with that. I was going to do my own, but that works too. This is for a 212th Trooper. This is a really obvious error. It's right there. But other than that, this figure looks absolutely great. That's awesome. Here's a 501st Trooper right here. I can't even see what's wrong with this one. That one looks perfectly fine. And we have a Stormtrooper, it appears, right here. So what I'm gonna do with these figures is here. I'm gonna line them all up real quick. What I'm going to do with these guys is I'm going to do individual reviews on each of them. I'm going to try and get them with helmets and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much how those are going to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. First impressions, I think it's really nice. I will probably be ordering more. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.